Welcome to the project, an embedded based object distance tracking system based on GPS and GSM. This section is your monitoring section where the user is going to know the distance of an object, and this system is interfaced to the object where the object is being taken to some X place. So from the object till the monitoring section, the distance is going to get on your monitoring section. So in your monitor section you have GPS module as well as GSM module. So here GPS is going to give you satellite information about the location of the monitoring section, and from the GSM modem you are going to get the SMS alerts from your object section. So in your microcontroller, as you on the power kit, you will be getting the welcome message. So here this is your monitoring section, and coming to the object section. So for your object section, you are going to have same GPS module as well as GSM. So to this GSM modem, initially to get the signal, so behind the GSM modem, this is the place where you are going to insert the SIM card, and after inserting the SIM card in a correct manner, just put an regulated power supply connection to the GSM modem. So in the GSM modem you have a red LED indicator, this is a power supply indicator, and coming to there are two LED indicators, one is green and one is yellow. This yellow LED is going to blink at a faster rate initially, but once it has got the signal, the blinking rate will be reduced. So once after getting the receiving of the signal, you need to on your kit. So once when you on your particular kit, initially you get the welcome message. After that, from your GPS, even at the GPS side also we have one LED indicator. So initially the blinking rate will be more, but once it has received the satellite signal, the blinking will be continued. So coming to the satellite, once received the signal, the latitude longitude values will be displayed over here. So from the object section till the monitor section, if you want to know the exact distance, just press the know the object distance. Initially you need to press the particular button. So when you ask a particular button as a question, so machine to machine communication is happened. So from this GSM modem, it initially sends an SMS automatically to the object section GSM modem. So once it has received the message, you can find here received a message as a confirmation. So once after receiving the SMS, again it repeats. So initially here also, this is a monitoring session. So here you get a confirmation through buzzer. So O is nothing but your object. So object latitude longitude as well as speed. So after that again it will display M. M means monitoring section latitude longitude values. So you know the object, you know the monitoring section. Both distance you can easily get it. So